Sikat na Grammys, kinilala ang BINI, isa sa rising girl groups to know now. Kilala nga ang Grammy sa pagbibigay ng awards recognizing outstanding achievements in the music industry. Regarded as most prestigious and significant awards in the music industry worldwide. October 3, 2024, naglabas ang listahan ng Grammys 12 Rising Girl Groups to Know Now at kasali ang BINI. They are handpicked by the Recording Academy. BINI members are described as leading revolution of P-pop, becoming one of the fastest growing music markets. Highlighted for having captured Southeast Asia with their EDM German production and a blend of English and Tagalog lyrics. The first Filipino act to enter Spotify Top Global Chart. The first Filipino to perform long-standing K-Con Festival in the Los Angeles. Kaya pala di nakapagtataka, tinawag silang Nation's Girl Group, proclaimed by the Recording Academy of Grammys. Maka-proud for BINI being recognized for their achievements in the music industry at kinilala pa sa labas ng bansa sa sikat pa na Grammys. At ito pa ang mga listahan kasama sa rising girl groups to know now all over the world, including Asia, US, and UK.